Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to remove PDF pages from your document in Windows 11. It's free with no additional downloads, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so here we are in Windows 11, and on my desktop I've got a 10-page document. It's a PDF, and this is what we're going to be removing one of the pages from today. So go ahead and find your document on your computer. It might be in your File Explorer, could be on your desktop like I have it here. And we're going to right-click on it, not left-click, but right-click. And we're going to hover down, and you should see the option that says Open With. And when you hover over, there's an option that says Microsoft Edge. Now this comes pre-installed in Windows 11, and it is free to use. So go ahead and left-click on Microsoft Edge. And this will open up the Microsoft Edge PDF viewer. And you'll see some options here at the top, but what we want to do is hover over to the right-hand side, and you're going to see the little print icon here. So go ahead and left-click on Print right there. And we need to go ahead and make some changes in the printer settings. So right here it says Printer. What we want to do is click this drop down. So it's currently set to my Canon printer. But if you click the drop down here, you're going to see an option that says Microsoft Print to PDF. Now that's what we want to select. Once you've done that, you can make sure that color is turned on because it might be on black and white. So make sure color is turned on, especially if it's a color document. But here under Pages, you'll see an option where you can type in the pages you would like to convert to PDF. So we're going to just go ahead and click this box here, and you can type in the pages individually or sections of pages. So for this example, let's remove page 5. So what we're going to do is type in 1 to 4, so 1-4. So we want to keep the first 4 pages. Then we're going to hit the comma key. We're going to skip page 5, but I'll do a space here. So we're going to type in 6-10. So what this is doing, we're going to create a document with pages 1 to 4 and pages 6 to 10. And if you wanted to remove another page, you could easily do that and just put in all the sections that you would like to keep. You could alternatively just do 1, 2, 3, 4 and skipping 5 and then continue through. There's a few different ways to do that. Now from there, once you've got it the way you like it, and you can preview it here as well. So when you preview it, you can scroll through and you can see on the preview that page 5 is missing. So we'll just go ahead and hit print here. It's going to ask us where we'd like to save it. So I'm going to save it on my desktop, and I'm going to name it here. I'm going to say page 5 removed. You can name it whatever you like. We'll just go ahead and hit save. And it should save that without page 5 here. Let's have a look. There it is on my desktop. And let's scroll down 1, 2, 3, 4, and page 5 is missing, just how we wanted it. And really it's that simple and fast to remove PDF pages here in Windows 11 for free with no additional download. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.